This is a really bad mistake. What's up? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I thought I'd create a new series called Putting GoPros in Strange Places. Episode 1 is right now. We're going to put the GoPro inside the washing machine and let's see what happens. Let's do this. Let's throw some colour in there and turn it on. This may have just gone really wrong and bad. The GoPro kind of fell off its mount. It's now just spinning around in here. It was stuck right here. You can see it. Where is it? You can probably hear it. See the light? See the light? There it is. Oh, I just hit the screen. This is a really bad mistake. Might break my GoPro. I have 6 minutes. There is 6 minutes left on the clock for me to find out whether that is working or not. I may have cracked my screen. Shit. I can't even open the door. I can't open the door, it's locked. I have to wait for it to finish to open that door. Let's just wait and see. Oh, every time I hear it knock, it's like, is that going to break the screen? Is that going to damage the GoPro? Hopefully it's quite robust. But I should have put that on it as a bit of protection. But stupidly, I didn't. I just trusted the 3M tape. Oh well, let's just wait and see. It's just about to finish. I'm waiting for the beep. It's a waiting game. Let's check it out. Dude, let's bring it here. Let's come here. All I've done is just cleaned my GoPro really well. It looks better. It looks better than it was before. And it is still, I don't know if you can see this or not. It is still working. It's just cleaner. I've got clean underwear, I've got a clean GoPro, and I've made a video. It's pretty successful. Make sure my microphone's on. Yeah, that's why also this is all good. Right, I'm gonna edit this video right now. Oh my god.